Demco Shark Lock AD20. These things are so hard to get. This knife sold out within 15 minutes after it was listed at Blade HQ. It was insane. So this one I got from eBay with the titanium frog scale. This is nice. It was $700. The scale usually by itself like $200 plus. So, and it comes with the original scale as well. So that was a good buy. Sometimes you can get good deals on eBay. Sometimes, not every time. You'll really have to sit there and fish for it. Look at that. And this one right here, AD 20.5. Much smaller one. Let's see. You see, it's all plastic. This full serrated. But overall, it's the same. It's just much smaller. Everybody loves this one by far. It's impossible to find one. It's so fast when they go for sale. They're just gone. And next time you'll have to buy it, you have to almost wait a year. And they both are amazing. But this one is about $150 to $200. Depends where you buy it. On eBay I see they sell for up to $300. Depends of the color and the blade shape and stuff. And sometimes they have a higher quality blades. You also have to look at that. But you know what? AD20S, this one in particular, is so awesome. Maybe it's just AD20. No, this one AD20S. I really like the frog scale. Those are incredibly hard to find too. That's probably most popular scale you can get. 3 more new Microtechs. Let's see what we got. This is right here, Microtech Ultratech Frog. And by frog, this is what they mean, frog scale. Signature 12/2022 just have made. And this is 174 serial number. Window breaker and all that. Just wanted to show it to you up close. This is what it looks like. It's a nice, decent size dagger style blade. Next we got it here, Feather Signature Series. So this one is very cool. So there's a feather pocket clip, and also it goes into the belt. You pull this out and it's all dark, which is quite nice. It says feather on it, 05/2022, serial number 127. Not a lot of them have been made, but they go really dark. Cannot see with the dark table. So you can go this way too. Hold it 2 different ways. Cool little knife design, and now in a complete dark color. And the next one, this one is a Stitch Stonewash full serrated. I cannot have enough of them. They're so much fun. So this one is assistant. Look at that kick, and it's full serrated. This one I think most desirable ones because they sell out quickly. MT90 steel collaboration with Boker. So you can hold it this way for precision cutting. Left hand, boom, nice. You can hold it this way, whatever, pretty beautiful. Where would it be the balance? Balance kind of not perfect, but it's kind of nice. I really like Boker blade knife. It is quite tough to close. Definitely kicks. Love it. Got it here, new 3 custom knife factories. This one $650 and the model number Evolution 3.0 knife and all that. This is serial number 625. Obviously, if you get number 1, it would be most valuable. So this is pretty beautiful knife right here. People really love them. They were sold out at NC Blade in just 1 day. So I got that here 3. Look how nice that is. Boom. Looks like cleaver. So beautiful. You can hold it right here for precision cutting, or hold it this way, whatever. Whereas the balance is right here. That's nice. Such a beautiful design. Very valuable. People I really want one of those, so they sell out so quickly. I see them on eBay resell for a lot more, double that, or at least $1,000. So this one is another one, different model a little bit. See what this one looks like and why it's $100 almost more expensive. As you can see, it's like dark. Ooh, this one is a little bit easier to open. That's cool. Wow, shiny. Really hard to find one. Serial number 693, M390 steel. Look at that clip. Yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, I really like that one. The dark one is pretty good. Okay, and the third one, $730, and this is model is C. You see, there's different ones. 8, 2022. Ooh. Oh yeah, Damascus side here. Yeah, this is really easy to open. That's beautiful. The first one I'll have to adjust it a little bit. That's nice. So yeah, if you guys wondering where can you get these knives, Arizona Custom Knives, that's where I will be listing them. Check them out. And also, which one is your favorite? I kind of like that dark one the most. So unique. So as you can see, if you could afford it, I would probably get one of each, but they are very expensive and they retain value, and sometimes if they get popular even more later, they actually go up in value. Depends of popularity. You know what, this one is kind of tight, but it's loosening up definitely a lot now that I'm using it more and more. Yeah, I kind of like it that it's a little bit tight, but it's loosening up a lot. Oh yeah, sometimes whenever you get a knife that is a bit tight, just work with it and it will loosen up. That's sweet. I don't know what happened there, but it definitely have loosened up quite a bit. It's easy to open now. I got it here, new Rita exoskeleton, so Rita Exo Scorpion. These things are so popular, and guess what? They just have made a new one, serrated. Check this out. This one like a dagger style. Both sides are sharp and also partially serrated. These things are so popular, they sell out in one day. I probably saw just the biggest drop at the multiple website at the same time, and they're all sold out within one day.